Assalaamu alaykum. Welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. Today I'll be running through page 49 of the Safar Abridged Qa'idah, which is all other stops. Now this is a re-recording because I wasn't quite happy with the audio for the last recording that I did for this lesson. So please be patient with me. We'll go through the boxes one by one, inshallah. If you've already been through this lesson, that's fine. You don't have to. Well, unless you want to go through it, that's fine as well. So box number 1, يخلق ما يشاء. And if you're going to stop there, it's يشاء. So the hamza becomes sakin. You put a sukoon on the hamza that's at the end there, and then you join it to the sheen when you're stretching it, sha. But it's just a little twitch, a little hiccup at the end. That's the sound. You don't want to make add a fatha or anything like that. يخلق ما يشاء, like that. Next one, box number 2, رضي الله عنهم. With this one, because the meme already has a sukoon at the end, we don't have to do anything. It stays the same whether you're reading it, whether you're going to continue after the meme or whether you're going to stop. رضي الله عنهم. That's it. Box number 3, لنثبت به فؤادك. Here the kaf becomes sakin, so it becomes dak, dak. You join the dal to the kaf. فؤادك. لنثبت به فؤادك. Next one, box number 4, ربنا اغفر لنا. Here we don't have to do anything. Whether you're similar to having a sukoon at the end. If you have a hamza, alif and a fatha at the end, it remains the same whether you're stopping or continuing. ربنا اغفر لنا. That's it. Number 5, ذلك الدين القيم. Here the meme becomes sakin, so it's قيم, قيم. ذلك الدين القيم. Box number 6, يا قوم لم تؤذونني. If you notice, the ya has a sukoon, so again this one doesn't need to change, it stays the same. يا قوم لم تؤذونني. Box number 7, ولله المثل الأعلى. This standing fatha is the same as having an alif and a fatha, so it doesn't change. A'la remains a'la. The ya there is silent, the ya on the end. Box number 8, معي ربي سيهديني. With this one, the noon becomes sakin, so it becomes deen, deen. When I say becomes sakin, you just put a sukoon on the top and you remove any other harakat. Like for example, here the kasra is there. Take the kasra away, put the sukoon on top, and that noon has become sakin. Yeah. معي ربي سيهدين. And box number 9, والله يسمع تحاوركما. And with this one, because it's got alif and a fatha at the end, it remains the same. You don't have to do anything to it. والله يسمع تحاوركما. That's how you stop on it. For the remaining examples, there's another recording, inshallah. So see you on that side. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.